Hostinger's website builder, called Zero, allows users to create a website quickly and easily without needing any technical expertise. Here's how to use it. Access Zero. Log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the Zero website builder section. Choose a template. Zero offers a variety of professionally designed templates categorized by industry or style. Browse through the templates and select one that matches your website's purpose. Customize your design. Once you've selected a template, use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to customize it. Edit text, images, and other elements directly on the page. Add new sections, change colors, fonts, and background images to match your brand. Add features and functionality. Zero allows you to integrate various features into your website easily. Add contact forms, social media buttons, galleries, and more with simple drag-and-drop widgets. Explore additional features like e-commerce tools for online stores or SEO settings to optimize your site for search engines. Preview and publish. Preview your website to see how it looks on different devices. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your website live. Manage and update. After publishing, use the Zero dashboard to manage your website. You can make updates, add new content, or change settings as needed.